less and less to see. This is a GoPro. Beautiful Charger.
Thank you.
That is really nice.
The problem is he had no money. The guy basically got to a point where he had no money, so he had to let it go. The guy was... This car went to the right person, and my father. So the guy that had the car, it needed to go away. He was never going to do anything with it. He couldn't afford it. So anyway, Dad bought it, dragged it out of this shed, basically, and then did a complete frame-off restoration on it, and it was finished in about 1992.
Wow.
So it's got the lacquer paint.
Oh, it's lacquer.
Yeah, it's lacquer.
Oh, wow.
It's been cut and polished, but it is lacquer. I have...
we had a customer that wanted to build a 66 Batmobile. He wanted to do a carbon fiber, first ever carbon fiber. It got too expensive. We decided not to do it. We decided to do aluminum. So I hired a guy to make the aluminum body, and it didn't work out. That's why this body doesn't look really good. So then I hired another guy, and he built me a killer one, and that's the one that we're working on right now. That's the one that's painted black like Adam West, the red stripes, everything. So this was kind of a mistake. So we decided to spend our way out of the mistake and make it into a rat rod drag car. I love the W, I love the dog. It's his dog.
It's a 1995 Mini Mayfair. It's a 1275 fuel injected single point. It was made for the Japanese market, imported in early 2000s from Japan by a gentleman in Woodbridge. I picked it up 2013 when the government changed out of market rules from 25 years to 15 years.
Yeah.
And bought it then. It was in nice shape, but the inside was trashed. The outside, I knew I had some rust on the doors, but it wasn't showing. And then when the pandemic came along 2020, there's nothing to do, so
You worked on the car.
I worked on the car. She's had 2 new door skins, some welding on the front toe board, some welding on the rear valance, complete brand new interior. The leather interior is bespoke, custom stitched to the original seat patterns, and it's on original frames, so it's original
Awesome.
seats with custom.
owner was the sheik of Oman.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yes.
And how did you acquire it?
I'm the third owner.
That is amazing. That is
I got it on an auction
nice.
20 years ago.
Wow. It is a beautiful car, sir.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
It's not miles per gallon, it's smiles per gallon.
You know what? It's efficient. It uses gas better than anything. Look at that. It's even got, it's got seat belts in there. Those look like serious seat belts.
They'll hold you in.
They will.
But they're quick release, you can get out of them in a hurry.
How quick is she?
I don't know with that motor.
Yeah. So we're talking better than 11s.
Well, if I do any better than that, that's when I got to start putting the roll bars and everything in it. And that's actually not what this car is about.
Right. It's nice. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So is it tub 2? Yeah.
Yeah. Pardon me? Yeah, 12 bolt rear end. Yeah.
So it's a serious car.
It's a rubber line.
It's really nice.
Hey,
Man. This is when cars were cars. Here we go again. Always at it. Always at it. Hi. How are you? What a nice car. I really like that. I love these old school street rods. That is really something.
Had it 59 years.
You've had it for 59 years.
Bought it in '66.
No kidding.
Set up for drag racing.
Wow. And how did you do in drags? What kind of times?
I didn't use it for dragger.
No?
No, I drove down the street with that engine in it.
No kidding.
Yeah, we unofficially in the
So-
backyards, yeah.
So were you a bit of a street warrior there for a bit, were you?
We were.
Oh, nice. I did a little of that when I was young too, with a Corvette.
Well, it had the big nailhead Buick in it.
Nice.
2 4s on it, gents, pistons, Iski cam. It was something.
Yeah.
But now it's got 66 Corvette, 327, 350 horse.
Oh my God. Wow. And I love the 5 windows. That's the most desirable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is really nice. Oh my God.
The back window rolls down.
Oh, does it? You know?
The first paint job in '67
Yeah.
was a case of beer and $25. It was turquoise, the whole car.
Well, I think for the case of beer, it was probably worth it.
Yeah.
Are these vents kind of functional?
Oh yeah, they open close.
Like you, that probably helps keep the motor cool, eh?
It does.
Yeah.
It's the only year that had 4 open vents.
Yeah. Man. You don't see a lot of old Chevys either, eh?
No, it's really a Deuce Coupe. It's 32, right?
Yeah. Blue. Oh, that would look nice too. What a nice car. Yeah, that's really quite something.
It's been everywhere. I've been to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee with it, Bowling Green, Kentucky, upstate New York, Michigan. It goes everywhere. I drive it everywhere.
Wow.
It doesn't go on a trailer either.
How many miles are on this car?
There's probably, since I've done it, probably about 30,000.
Wow, that's amazing. A nice car. And was it in this kind of condition when you bought it?
No.
No?
2 trips to get it home. It was all in pieces.
It was in pieces?
Oh yeah, it was 2 trips to get home. I couldn't bring it home in all in one trip.
Oh my goodness!
That's all the power switches for the seat.
Oh my
That
goodness!
used to be on the top. I put it on the bottom and made a cover so nobody knows it's even there. And if you look 5, 6, and 7 Chevy, any other model, there's a dip. This one doesn't have a dip.
That
And
is...
I added that. GM never put one there.
Wow. Yeah. And you know what? This is by far more unique.
You can carry a lot more in two than a big one.
And yeah.
Just ask my wife.
Well, the best part of this is you got a place to put your chair, you got a place to put your cooler. That is, where are you out of?
Cambridge.
Cambridge. That's why I've never seen this car. This is really beautiful. And you've got air conditioning. Wow, lab of luxury. Okay, I got you now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, oh my goodness. I don't know that I've ever seen a 68 Triumph.
Have now.
That's really nice. I like how the hood bumps up.
Yep.
That's different, eh? So tell me a little bit about this car.
Well, it's a one-year model,
Okay.
the TR250, and the model designation means that it's only a North American car. It was only brought to North America. The rest of the world got a TR5. Okay, and what happened, this was a stopgap car. Triumph desperately wanted to get the new 6-cylinder engine out and the updated chassis, and the TR6 was supposed to come out in '68. But the company that they contracted to do the body designs didn't have the new body ready for the '68 launch. So because the cars are body on frame, it took nothing to take the old body from the TR4A and drop it on the updated chassis with the new engine. Which they did for the 1 year, and then the TR6 debuted in 1969. And
the British Racing Green, that is classic. That looks really good. I'm amazed at the condition of this car. It's really quite something. I like the, is that burled?
It had a full frame off rotisserie rebuild in 2014.
No kidding. Oh, what a beautiful car. I love the exhaust too. That is really nice. That is really something. Wow. That is really something. So they were ahead of their time with the cold air, eh?
No, that's an add-on.
That's an add-on?
Yeah, the cold air, the brakes, and those are all things that I've done to the car.
Okay. Well, man, I don't think I've ever seen one, and I go to a lot of car shows.
Well, as I said, with it being a one year only model, they only made about 5,800 of them.
Yeah, that's a pretty low
low number.
Oh boy. Now that's cool. That is really cool. What is it? Where is that car made? England. That is really something. I think I seen a video that Paul McCartney has one of these. Yeah, and he had it all done up too. Well, I think he had one with been souped up like this too. Yeah, right off the showroom floor. Man,
It's a month old, I'll be honest with you.
is it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Just finished it.
You did a great job on it.
Yeah, me and my dad just finished. My dad's car's the other one, so.
Oh man, there are so many nice cars
15
here.
months, man. It just,
Yeah.
every Saturday, every Sunday, grinding and welding, and it was a lot. And I just finished it, like I said, a month ago. Finally turned the key, went for a drive.
Nice. Can't beat a classic Corvette. Those are so pretty. These are so pretty. I love them. I absolutely love them. Yeah, I do. What a beautiful red. That is really nice.